So this is an energy exhibit which demonstrates how a solar panel generates power. So we have a solar panel mounted here with an illuminator array which can be controlled by this knob here, and we have a digital readout which shows the voltage and current generated by this particular panel at any point of time. Now as you can see, given the ambient light in this room, it's generating about 2.2 volts voltage. Now as he increases the voltage using that knob, you will see the LED array is illuminating the solar panel more, and as he increases the voltage, you will see the voltage go up to very high levels, and the LEDs on the side also light up using the power generated. And as he decreases the voltage or the illumination, you can see the solar power voltage drops and the power generated reduces.